Today I decided to do a brief video on this John Deere mulch cover that's up next here on Bud's Odd Jobs. This mulch cover here recently, been using it on my lawn, does a really nice job. Doesn't leave a lot of the rows of grass that you typically get. I used to mow, let it sit for a couple days, then use my bagger to pick it up. Now I just put this plug in and go ahead and mow. It's John Deere original equipment grass mulching attachment. The number on it is GY00115, and it's according to the site, it fits the 100 series, the D series, the L series, and also the LA series mowers. Plus it says it fits the S240 and the Z225, and it's supposed to be used with the 42-inch decks only. Now I've got a 42-inch deck, but as you can see on my tractor, I've got the X304. Did see in the description that it also does fit the 42-inch X304 deck. So I was pleased with that. I can tell you that very little escapes from the discharge, and it does a real good job of mulching, even if you don't even have the mulching blades. And that's true with most of the people that reviewed it. They said that they used the standard John Deere blades, and it does a real nice job. One reviewer suggested to drill a hole here where it attaches in the front. Normally when you attach the grass catcher you attach it in that top hole where I have this attached now. Now I'm using the top hole and it seats down in there pretty nice for me, but he suggested drilling a hole in the bottom of that bracket so that you get some downward pull, but it seems to do pretty nice for me, and I'll show you what it looks like here. I'll just take it off and you can see it. So here's the unit removed. It is hollow inside, but as you can see, it goes on fairly easy here. It sits on there pretty nice, and you just attach the front clips and the back clips, so it goes on real easy. The installation is quick, and it does a very effective job. One thing I'll point out with the plug in place, the safety plate, the defection plate, doesn't seat all the way down. I think that's because it kind of runs into the tether there that hooks to the front mounting plate. So when you lower the grass catcher chute, it doesn't go all the way down like it would normally would. So here you can see a couple rows that I mowed with the plug in place, and it does a pretty nice job without leaving a whole lot of clumps, so it's pretty clean. Okay, so I just finished mowing, and I think you can see it does a pretty nice job. Didn't really go slow with this, just go my normal speed. There are, as you can see, some grass lying here and there, but for the most part it does a good job. It mulches it up pretty good, and I don't really feel the need to go over there and pick up all this grass. They say it's better to let it lay anyways. It helps feed the lawn better. Hi Sarah, how you doing? How you doing, girl? How you doing? Look at that tail go. I'll leave a link below with more information if you're interested, and thanks for watching.